Yep.
Let me see it.
Where are you going?
Here, let's turn you around.
Start her over by the stove.
No, not on this floor. Like that.
Well, you can put her on the carpet right there and face her towards us.
Here, stand up. She doesn't want to stand up. She's gonna go fast.
Hi.
Are you walking? I gotta take a video on my phone. Where's my phone?
Turn around the other way.
Yeah, you gotta back up. Here, let's start over here. Pull it. Grab it. Okay, never mind.
Excuse me. Are you trying to show me the headphones?
Yeah.
I don't feel safe around you.
Oh my god, babe!
You.
Are you serious? Did you just see that? I swear to god, she just took steps.
We'll find out in a second.
You just made the weirdest face ever.
Good.
Where are you going?
Sandra, where are you going?
It's okay.
Okay, come back here.
You crashed.
Big ol'